1300 hours Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. President has conferred Hilal-e-Pakistan on Turkish Foreign Minister in recognition of his services for international peace and security and further strengthening Pakistan-Turkey bilateral relationship. Prime Minister says UK-based law firm Broadsheet revelations have again exposed massive scale of our ruling elite's corruption and money laundering. President Azad Jammu and Kashmir has said that India's dream of turning Jammu and Kashmir into a Hindu Rashtra will never materialize at all. US House of Representatives has passed a resolution with 223 to 205 votes calling for removal of President Trump from office under 25th Amendment of the Constitution. And now the news in detail. President Dr. Arif Alvi has conferred Hilal-e-Pakistan on Turkish Foreign Minister Mevlut Cavusoglu in recognition of his services for international peace and security and further strengthening of Pakistan-Turkey bilateral relationship. The award investiture ceremony was held at Aiwan-e-Sadr in Islamabad today. It was attended, amongst others, by Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi and Minister for Information and Broadcasting Shibli Faraz. Pakistan and Turkey have signed a memorandum of understanding for promotion of cooperation in education sector. The MOU was signed by Turkish Foreign Minister Mevlut Cavusoglu and Minister for Education Shafkat Mahmood in Islamabad today. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi was also present on the occasion. Prime Minister Imran Khan says Panama Papers exposed our ruling elite's corruption and money laundering earlier, and now broadsheet revelations have again exposed the massive scale of our ruling elite's corruption and money laundering. In a tweet today, he said these elites cannot hide behind victimization card on these international revelations. He said these revelations are just tip of the iceberg. The Prime Minister said we want complete transparency from broadsheet on our elite's money laundering and on who stopped the investigations. Foreign Minister of Azerbaijan, Ceyhun Bemirov, is arriving in Islamabad today on a two-day official visit to Pakistan. This will be the first bilateral visit from Azerbaijan at foreign ministers level since 2010. The two foreign ministers will hold delegation-level talks and review the entire spectrum of bilateral relations. During his visit, the Azerbaijan foreign minister will also call on the president and the prime minister and meet other dignitaries. Second trilateral meeting of the foreign ministers of Pakistan, Turkey and Azerbaijan is being held in Islamabad today to exchange views on global and regional issues and possibilities of enhanced cooperation in all areas of common interest. The three sides will exchange views on new and emerging threats to regional peace and security, the challenges caused by COVID-19, environment, climate change and economic development targets. 55 more people died of coronavirus across the country over the last 24 hours. According to latest statistics issued by National Command and Control Center, 2,123 new COVID-19 cases surfaced in the country after conducting the tests of 39,450 people during the same period. There are now 33,102 active cases of coronavirus in the country, while 464,950 people have so far recovered from the disease. President Azad Jammu and Kashmir Sardar Masood Khan has said that India's dream of turning Jammu and Kashmir into a Hindu Rashtra will never materialize at all. Addressing a webinar, he said the Kashmiri people are determined to continue their struggle for freedom and the right of self-determination till the last drop of their blood. Sardar Masood Khan said despite India's policy of irredentism, Kashmiris have vowed to continue their struggle for freedom and self-determination. In India, the protesting farmers have announced to burn copies of government's new agriculture laws today to press on with their protest against the government. The farmers also want to intensify their protest around Republic Day celebrations in the capital later this month. Tens of thousands of farmers have been camped on the outskirts of New Delhi for almost 2 months protesting against the new farm laws. The U.S. House of Representatives has passed a resolution with 223 to 205 votes calling for removal of President Donald Trump from office under the 25th Amendment of the Constitution in the wake of the violent siege of Capitol Hill last week. Earlier, Vice President Mike Pence made it clear in a letter released just hours ahead of the House vote that he has no plans to invoke the 25th Amendment to remove President Trump. House Democrats plan to vote tomorrow for impeachment of President Trump. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.